Hey, brother, Stuart Matola, men's relationship coach here. Hope you're having a great day. And you may be wondering why I'm hanging out in this old time graveyard behind me. I don't know if you can see any of those tombstones, but it looks like it's a good 100+ years old. I was just hiking in the woods, passing by here, and it made me think of something that I talk a lot about with my clients. And that's how death can inform you in your relationship or marriage, and what needs to die in your relationship, what you need to let go of, what you need to let die. And it's such a powerful question to ask in the context of when you're stuck in your relationship or your marriage, whether that's old behaviors of not advocating for yourself in your relationship, or having temper tantrums, or ways that you show up in which you feel small with your wife or partner, or in which you don't feel respected or loved or cared for or admired, or behaviors that you're participating in that just, they need to go and you're not sure how. And what I find so powerful about that question of what needs to die in your relationship is the minute you ask that question and get clarity on what that is, you will immediately start to have a trailhead as to what is calling in to be born into your life. So, for example, if I know that, pleaser patterns need to die in me, and I start to understand how I'm behaving in a way that is based on the fear of my partner being upset instead of what authentically is alive in me, what I want to communicate, what I want to express, but that I might not express because I'm fearful of conflict or fearful of, rocking the boat. And if I start to track how that needs to be let go of, immediately a door opens into, oh, I see. I can actually just authentically be me and not stress so much about the impact it's having on my wife or partner. And of course, with some understanding of how to communicate in a way that's relational as opposed to just egoistic, defensive, or even whiny. And that's the work I do with men, is I help them with relational communication so that that can be born into their relationship, because you're going to get a much better result when you are talking to your wife or partner in a relational manner. And a lot of guys don't even understand what that really means. And it's no fault to you if that's the case, because the reality is you were never taught that. I know I wasn't. I had to learn it the hard way through many, many, many years of marriage and many, many years of failure. So ask yourself, what behaviors, what attitudes, what mentalities need to die in your relationship so that new doors can open and you can start to step into more freedom, more passion, more love, more connection with your wife or partner. I hope this was helpful, brother. If it was, please check out below links to my work. Thanks so much for watching and have a kick-ass day. Bye.